Good afternoon to all student. Dear student, now start the next topic. Next topic is athletics, track and field events. ये हमारे पास एथलेटिक्स आज से स्टार्ट हुई है. तो इसमें हमारे पास फर्स्ट एथलेटिक्स, हिस्ट्री ऑफ एथलेटिक्स. +1 फिजिकल एजुकेशन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हिस्ट्री ऑफ एथलेटिक्स. ठीक है. नाउ स्टार्ट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एथलेटिक्स. ट्रैक एंड फील्ड इवेंट्स. Track and field athletics, commonly known as athletic of track and field, is a collection of sports events that involve running, throwing and jumping. The name athletics is derived from the Greek word athlons, meaning contest. Athletics is an integral part of Great Olympic Games started in the year 1896. ओलंपिक गेम कब स्टार्ट हुए थे? ओलंपिक गेम started in 1896 in Athens, ग्रीक. ओलंपिक गेम जो स्टार्ट हुए थे कब हुए थे? 1896 से में एथेंस ग्रीक में हुए थे. एथेंस एक कंट्री है, उसमें एक एथेंस नाम है, उसमें हुए थे. एथलेटिक्स कंटेन्स टू मेजर इवेंट्स, ट्रैक एंड फील्ड. द स्पोर्ट्स ऑफ ट्रैक एंड फील्ड एथलेटिक्स इन द फॉर्म बी रिकॉग्नाइज इट टुडे डेटेड बैक little more than a century, but the root of athletics history go back thousands of years. The involvement of track and field events, organized almost with the beginning of man. In order to survive, man had to be both a gymnast and a athlete. He should make this body more flexible and movable in order to earn his livelihood. The original and only event at the first Olympics in 76 BC. BC मतलब before century. 776 BC was a stadium length foot race or straight run on a track. In international governing body of International Amateur Athletics Federation, IAAF, International Amateur Athletic Federation was founded in कब बनी? 1912. It is current name of the International Association of Athletics Federation. In 2001, the IAAF established separate outdoor world championship. In world championship, championship 1983. There is a number of regional games as well, such as the European Championship, the Pan American Game, and the Commonwealth Game. In addition, there is a professional Golden League circuit accumulating in the IAAF World Athletics and Indoor Championship, such as a World Indoor Championship. The sport has a very high profile during major championship, specifically the Olympics, but otherwise is dress popular in athletics. ठीक है, दिस इज ए एंशेंट एथलेटिक हिस्ट्री जो है. अब इसके बाद जो है फर्स्ट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हमारे पास जो है फर्स्ट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम ऑन अप्रैल 6, 1896. The Olympic game is long lost tradition of ancient Greek and Roman of athletics. Athens 1,500 years after being banned by the Roman European authorities. At the opening of the Athens game, King Eurystheus of Greek and a crowd of 60,000 spectators welcomed athletics of 13 nations of the international competition. The first recognized Olympic Games were held at Olympia in the Greek city state of Alice in 776 BC, but it is generally accepted that the Olympics were at last 5 years old. At the time, the ancient Olympic held every 4 years. जो एंसेंट हमारे जो ओलंपिक है, एंसेंट ओलंपिक्स होल्ड एट 4 years. और जो ओलंपिक्स है वो 4 सालों में एक बार कराया जाता है. द ओकेजन 4 years during a regions of festival honoring the Greek and Zeus Greek god Zeus देवता थे, उनके नाम से इन्होंने ये जो ओलंपिक्स है ये शुरू करी थी. इन द 8th century 8 country BC constant come from a dozen or more Greek cities, and by the 5th century BC from as many as 100 cities from throughout the Greek Empire. Olympic competition was limited to foot race, but later a number of other events were added, including wrestling, boxing, horse racing, and military competition. The Pentathlon, introduced in 708 BC, 708 BC, consists of the foot race, the long jump, discus and javelin throw, and wrestling. With the rise of Roman parade, de Coubertin become IOC president. IOC president in 1896. Pierre de Coubertin. Between IOC president in 1896, the guided the Olympic Games through the difficult early years. In 1950, Coubertin referred the Olympic Games have come to regarded as the foremost international sports competition. At the 2000 Summer Olympic in Sydney, more than 10,000 athletes from 1 lakh athletes from 200 countries competed, included nearly 4,000 women. In 2004, the Summer Olympic returned to Athens with more than 1,100 athletes competing from 202 countries in proud moments of Greek and an exciting one for spectators. The shot put competition has held the seat of the classical game of Olympia. This is a history of फर्स्ट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स. इसके बाद जो है हमारे पास टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट्स कितने तरह के होते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ इवेंट्स. फर्स्ट, there are 3 types of athletics event. First one, track event. Track events. Next one, field events. And next one, combined events. आज हम यहीं तक करेंगे. ट्रैक इवेंट्स कौन से इवेंट्स होते हैं जो ट्रैक में किए जाते हैं. जैसे ट्रैक इवेंट्स, ए वैरायटी ऑफ रनिंग इवेंट्स आर होल्ड ऑन द ट्रैक विच फॉल इनटू 3 बोर्ड डिस्टेंस कैटेगराइज: स्प्रिंट्स, मिडल डिस्टेंस रेसेस एंड लॉन्ग जंप. स्प्रिंट्स, मिडल डिस्टेंस रेसेस एंड लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेसेस इन ट्रैक इवेंट्स. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास फील्ड इवेंट्स. द फील्ड इवेंट्स कम इन टू टाइप्स: जंपिंग एंड थ्रोइंग. Competitions of throwing events, athletes are measured by how far they hurry on implement. With the common events being the shot put, discus, javelin and hammer throw. This is the field events. Last, combination event या combined events, which include 2 types of events: decathlon इसमें जो हमारे पास 7 इवेंट्स होते हैं, इसमें मेन पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, मेंस जो होते हैं उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं। दूसरा है हेपेथलॉन। इसमें जो है सिर्फ वुमेन पार्टिसिपेट करती है। यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया। तो आज हम यहीं तक करा हिस्ट्री ऑफ एथलेटिक्स, एंशेंट एथलेटिक्स जो हमारे पास हिस्ट्री थी, और फर्स्ट मॉडर्न ओलंपिक गेम्स। ठीक है, ये हमारे पास था आज का टॉपिक। कल नेक्स्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे आगे इसके टाइप्स।